So you lost money to the OneCoin scam and you're wondering, is there any way to get it back? You're not alone. Over 3.5 million people got swindled out of their hard-earned cash by the OneCoin Ponzi scheme. The founder, Ruja Ignatova, vanished into thin air, leaving investors in the dark. But don't give up hope just yet. There are steps you can take to fight back and maybe even recover some of your losses. First things first, understand that getting your money back isn't easy, and anyone promising a quick win is probably just running another scam. Here's what you should do. Step 1. Gather every bit of documentation you have. That means transaction receipts, emails, messages, anything that proves you invested in OneCoin. The more evidence you have, the stronger your case. Step 2. Report your losses to your local authorities and financial regulator. If you're in Australia, contact ASIC. In other countries, reach out to your national financial watchdog. Most agencies have dedicated departments for scam recovery. Step 3. File a complaint with international bodies like Europol or the FBI's IC3 if you invested from outside your own country. These organizations work together to track down international fraudsters. Now here's a crucial warning. Watch out for recovery scammers. These are people who pretend to help you get your money back, but are actually looking to steal more from you. Don't pay anyone up front, and always check for reviews or official registrations. If you used a credit card or bank transfer, contact your bank right away. Sometimes, banks can reverse transactions or launch their own investigations, especially if you act quickly. Another tip: join online forums and support groups for OneCoin victims. Not only will you find emotional support, but you'll also pick up tips from people who are going through the same thing. And remember, check the pinned comments and the description right below this video for more resources. I've listed some professionals and organizations that specialize in helping scam victims. If you found this video useful, hit like, share it with others who need to hear this, and subscribe for more tech tips and support. Don't give up hope. Stay informed, stay safe, and stay tuned for the next video.